So in this video we will discuss about the new chapter, that is electrochemistry. Before that we have discussed about the acid, bases and salts, types of acid, bases and salts, and all the reactions, chemical reactions and all of that about the acid, bases and salts. So here we are having another chapter, that is chapter 12. So here we will discuss this. So basically in this video we'll discuss about the introduction to the electrochemistry, what it is actually. So basically it is a branch of chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry that deals with the production of electricity, to form the energy released during a spontaneous chemical reaction. It is a branch of chemistry that deals with the production of electricity from the energy released by spontaneous chemical reaction. Now, what is it? It's a branch of chemistry that deals with the production of electricity, which means in this the electricity will produce from the energy. Electricity will produce from the energy that is released by the spontaneous chemical reaction. Later we will also discuss what is spontaneous, what is unspontaneous chemical reaction. So basically if you talk about in any electrochemical change, here we are discussing about change, right? So in any electrochemical change, a redox reaction always takes place. In any electrochemical change, redox reaction takes place. Now what is redox reaction? Redox reaction, basically in this red, which is mean reduction, and OX, which mean oxidation. In previous chapter we have all discussed about the redox reaction, right? So here I am discussing again that what is redox reaction. It is basically when the reduction and oxidation occur, that is called the redox reaction. RED, that is red, that is reduction, and OX, which is oxidation. Mixture of these both called the redox reaction. So in any electrochemical change, a redox reaction always takes place. So this was a redox reaction. Now if we talk about the reduction, what happened in reduction? That is a gain of electron occur here. Gain of electron occur in reduction, and oxidation, loss of electron.